So carrying on from 1a, right, when we now do looking at part 2, okay, we have z minus 1 cubed equals 8, but we want to do the cube root when it's got 1. So lucky for us, if we divide by 8, divide both sides by 8, we get 1, and go, well, what's the point of that? Well, glad you asked, because isn't 8 2 cubed? Yes, yes it is. So what we're now doing is z take 1 over 3 cubed equals 1. So we can do exactly what we did for part A now, where we can say, okay, we've got our roots are going to be 1, w, and w squared, where w equals cis 2 pi on 3. And so therefore, z take 1 on 3, right, that's going to be 1, w, which will be cis 2 pi on 3, and of course it's going to be cis 2 pi on 3 squared. Okay, and now to get rid of the divide by 3 and the take 1, right, we've got 3 plus 1, 1 times 3 plus 1, and then we're going to have 3 cis 2 pi on 3, plus 1, and we're going to end up with cis, well, 3 cis 4 pi on 3, right, because we've times the 2 out the front there, plus 1. And again, you can leave it like that, or you can simplify it. You could put it in Cartesian form, you know, make sure that you're reading what the question has asked of you. All right, so that's the way it goes there. And then be careful with C. What's going on there? We've got 2z take 1, right? If I divide by minus 1, that gives me 1, divide both sides by 1, and of course, oops, that's the cubed. Minus 1 cubed is indeed minus 1, so this becomes 2z take 1 all over minus 1 cubed equals 1, and then you carry on and you do exactly what we did with that.